Hello guys and welcome to this collab with me, Zimbi and Evans. Today we will be playing Animal Hospital.
Hello guys, we're gonna have the best collab ever, and this is gonna be the best video ever together. Let's go.
Okay, it's the three of us. Shift 1, wait for visitors. Open. Okay. Evans, you're a doctor as like last time. Hello, my name is Buddy Takada. TikTok. My family doesn't know I'm here. What? Why? Anyway.
That's strange. Well, you're gonna have to face.
Oh, it says follow the patient to their room.
That's only for Evans.
Why did it pop up on my screen then? Oh, there's someone. I will be in room 2. I don't know. Crossroad Hospital, I don't know. Wherever you wanna. Okay, I guess. When is our next customer coming in? I mean patient.
What should we name the hospital?
It's just one patient remaining. Is it that guy? Is it that
What
guy
about the
there?
Cousin Collab
Girl,
Hospital?
I'm sorry to assume your gender. The doctor's arriving. Oh, the doctor.
I think that was the last one. It says treat remaining patients 1. That's the one Evans is treating.
That's an anomaly. You can't just refuse me. Yeah, well,
What?
yes we can. You're an anomaly.
Hooray!
Okay, is that one an anomaly? Let's just see. Hey.
Yay, we got excellent, guys. We're doing well.
I'm here
That's
for my
obviously an
appointment.
anomaly.
Let me register him.
Yeah, we can. We just did. Oh, but I have a bad feeling about this.
Should I give it to him? I got room 1. Okay, I haven't covered. Anomaly.
Alright, his picture's okay.
Oh wait, no, never mind.
Let's check the cameras to see if he's
Hey.
an anomaly. Yeah.
It just shakes his head around. You can't
Okay, room
confuse
1.
me. Well, yes, we can.
Wait, what? Where? That's not an anomaly, bro. Yeah, never mind. Yeah.
Stop. I'm Haru Ryu. I want to check in as a
Oh,
patient.
you're an anomaly, so you can't check in as a patient.
What? It said I want to check in as a patient. That's weird. I'll be in room 5. Same.
Here for my appointment. They say different things for different people.
Same. Let me see the photo. I still have a really bad feeling.
Her name is Shirley Matsumoto.
Just to be safe. Keep the things closed. That's definitely an anomaly. This police gives me the creeps. Who just said that?
Same.
Oh, the customer already left. Oh.
Oh!
Hello. My name is Hero Button. Yeah, please leave. We know you're an anomaly.
That was one of the patients. Excuse me, could you please go?
Yeah, man, you wanna fight? Yeah, man, you wanna fight? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Yeah, man, you wanna fight?
Whoa!
Barely have any
Scared
money.
me. That scared me. Oh my gosh.
Who has the most money?
That's what I wanna fight. Wanna fight,
Who has
bro.
advantages?
Wanna
I
fight,
see
bro.
things,
Yeah, I wanna fight.
It's
You got sent.
dangerous
You got
job.
sent. You got sent. You got sent.
Actually,
Yeah. You got sent. Yeah, boss man. Wanna fight. Yeah.
he said this is a dangerous job. Let me check the cameras. Tell me
I
when
think I
someone's
have
coming in.
the most money.
I'll check the cameras.
Me. 463. Why is that right? Rafi's here. Rafi's my favorite character, man. Yeah.
Got them on the cameras. Thanks. I will be in room 6. I lost job stress again.
Stop ringing the bell, man. Come in, you idiot.
Suck. So new. I'm so new. I have an appointment. We just need to double check.
That's Adam's job.
Let's check the cameras.
If you just said, are the myths real?
Same. Yeah, true. When he came in, he wasn't doing any... When he came in, he wasn't doing any weird activities or something. You can afford the taser. What is what? Oh, someone buy this thing. You can revive whoever dies. Okay, thanks, Ethan. Something feels a bit off about this guy.
Me? That would be me.
What?
Well, I will.
What?
Yeah,
So
Rafi was
anomaly?
right. Never trust anyone. This is how you check when someone's an anomaly or not.
I'll be in room 5.
If they
Evan's
have the
room
sharp
5.
teeth, that probably means they're an
Anomaly. Close. It had 3 eyes and they were glowing red.
Okay,
You can't just...
they're not an anomaly.
But we had green eyes and it was glowing red. His eyes were glowing red. Name's Ron. From accounting.
That's an anomaly.
You ever wonder why they keep hiring new people? Well, how am I supposed to know? It's my first day on the shift. Never mind. Okay, I know this guy's for sure not an anomaly.
It's Ron from accounting.
Yeah. Yawn. Well, just come and... Okay. Thanks. I will be in room 1. Evan's room 1. That's an anomaly. That's an anomaly. Look at his eyes. No,
He's
don't
got
do
room
that.
1.
No, bro, that's an anomaly. Look at its eyes.
That's not an anomaly.
Oh, never mind. My bad. Yeah, that one.
Justin Lin. I want to check in other patient.
Rejected? Me?
No, it isn't, bro.
How dare you?
This is normal eyes. Bro, what are you doing?
Yeah. You probably live in Salty Springs or something. Hey.
Now that's an anomaly.
I'm here for my appointment. What the heck happened? Wait,
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. There was a tall black thing.
I haven't
It was in
you
the
scared
wall.
the heck out of me there.
Actually scared me.
Screamed.
Heck was that?
Oh my gosh. Some patients may seem unstable. Like that guy. Make sure to see the photo on the camera still up.
Stay together.
Oh
How
my
about this?
gosh.
Let's stay
I want to look the
together.
taser. Use it wisely. That thing scared the heck out of me. Oh my gosh. I lost.
Laser patients have already been unstable.
Fine.
Alright.
We don't need any of these.
See the tall thing.
Let's go check that partner out. That guy. What I say partner? This guy. Looking.
I don't think we need
Looks good.
stuff here. Whatever you do not get the extra check-in window.
Same.
What happened?
Well, he Oh. Rafu. You are a good guy. Oh, thanks. Thank you, Rafu. My name is Rafu. I'm pretty sure I know that.
Well,
My advice:
if you're dead,
don't trust
if your
anyone
Emma is
here.
dying, then you're gonna have to live
He's
in the
really
tough
scaring
bin.
me.
Goodbye.
He's giving me the creeps. Didn't this guy come like? Didn't Rafu come like 2 shifts ago?
Thanks, Rafi.
Yeah, I got room 1.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Alright. I'm here for my appointment.
Yeah, I think so.
Go where?
Apparently he has room 1. What type of name is Pumpkin Kang?
Let's all stay here for now.
Let's follow Evans. Rafi, we have to follow each other.
Of course not.
Because we've all experienced the stalk.
Hello, I'm back. Okay, there's a timer until he dies. I'm hungry. Lit. Someone get the taser. Evans use the taser. Evans, go use the taser. Okay, the doctor's here. Oh my gosh, there's been a huge anomaly attack. 6 people died and many more were hurt. Be prepared, the ambulance is coming. Who has the taser? Who has the taser? Who has the taser? They look up. I'm so scared, guys. Everybody stay with each other. Let me get a medicine. Well, don't overdose him because I already gave him medicine. Don't overdose him. I already gave him medicine, so don't give him medicine. I overdose. If you give him medicine, he'll overdose him. Okay, what does this guy need? Where are you guys? Where are you all? Someone died. R.I.P. He was one of the people that got injured. Someone go to the ritual room 3. Evans, Ethan, come. What? Oh my gosh, don't look up. Ethan, where are you? Ethan, where are you and what are you doing? Ethan, where are you and what are you doing? What? Maple syrup. Okay, where's maple syrup? I got maple syrup, mate. No, I'm not with you. Oh, that's an anomaly. Flip, run! We just have an anomaly. Oh my gosh. Who has the taser? I don't.
Bro, a mimic is eating a patient. Where is it?
Oh my gosh!
Where is it?
Everybody stay with each other.
No!
Delicious. Okay, let's start surgery.
IV drops.
Okay, I have my kit.
Scalpel, scalpel.
Okay. How was I supposed
Bro,
to
this
know?
is the next medicine. How's the med kit?
I have the med kit. Oh my god.
Transplant. Transplant.
Heart transplant. Okay. I have the med kit.
Means I'll take the medicine. Means I'll just take the medicine.
I get the medicine.
Yes,
The
we
doctor's
completed the
arriving.
surgery and the doctor's arriving now.
Yeah. Ethan, I hope you clipped those moments. Good job, the emergency. More ambulances will come. Prepared.
Oh, not more ambulances.
You guys stop arguing. Here's a bonus for your work.
Critical? What do you mean by critical?
Shop is open, guys.
Evan's such the
Yeah.
best employee.
Where we
we're not
know,
gonna
do
get
not
the
buy
extra window.
the extra window check-in. Do we go back to 7 customers?
7 customers?
Same. I have 657.
I have 552. I only have 552.
Okay, the taser is recharging. That means someone used the taser on the anomaly.
Yeah. And you guys,
Guys,
we're
my
one
phone's
camera down.
63%. It's in red. Ethan, I hope you clipped. You recorded them.
I did.
How long is the video? Alright. How long is the video? Room 4.
Got room 4.
Okay. Everybody still stick with each other. There might be an unexpected thing. Something unexpected might happen.
Where are you guys?
I'm following the customer. Everybody still stick with each other. Something unexpected might happen. I have a bad feeling about this girl. Gal, you're the little doctor or nurse. I'm 40. Action needed. Well, not like for you almost let me die. you almost let me die last time. Just wait 166 seconds. I do think it's a long time, but even fine. You just take the next coffee. I don't even care anymore. Patient on fire. What the heck? Where? I mean, you with the patient on fire. I know. Evans, come help us. Oh, it's here. The patient's here. Here. What do we do? We need to treat the bands.